Bharat bhai, can I come and see you for
yeah.
2 minutes?
Pankaj, how are you? Long time.
Arey, you're looking so smart today, Bharat bhai.
Not so smart, yaar. This is we have a party today.
Bharat bhai from Dealwell at camp at MG Road. Sorry for taking just a 2 minute break. If you can take, I just wanted you to share your ideas
It's okay, no problem.
about this your real estate company and how you really benefit the clients who come and meet you.
Yes, let me just give me 1 minute, Pankaj. Yes, Pankaj, tell me.
You have joined our website of brokercity.in.
Okay,
It's a place
yes.
where all the professional realtors will be telling the people, visitors, how they are special and what special things, benefits they can give to the buyer. So I wanted your video on it,
Okay.
on your page, so that people can understand what is so special about Dealwell and
So
Bharat bhai.
special about Dilbel, I'll tell you. Anyway, let me start. Hey, it's really pleasure to meet you all these people through this video. And I'll give an idea how can you be benefited from this video channel. Now, very first thing that you must have bought some of the other land or property in your life in Pune. Where have you?
I think actually Bharat bhai, I feel, I may be wrong, that property has become a consumer item. Every person, middle class, lower middle class, does
No.
buy a property.
I'll
Am
tell
I
you,
wrong?
if you go to stockbrokers, 80% of the stockbrokers, if you meet those people, they have made loss and loss and loss. How much ever you spend, 5 lakhs to 5 crores, hardly you will find people where they have made profit. But in real estate, if you see, out of 100, 99% people you will find 99 that they have made profit, they have doubled their value.
Their wealth has grown.
Their wealth is grown. And there are the people where they look for a property on returns on their investment, return on their property. When they are buying good commercial properties, good residential flats, because Pune has really grown up.
So what are the things you would like to tell your visitor? Somebody who's looking for a property.
Yes.
Why should he deal with you?
Not only dealing with me, but dealing in properties or buying a property. It's an opportunity. You feel the real estate market, there is opportunity. People who have lost the opportunity, they have now gone back. People always they say, "Arey, I was getting this property at this price. A few years back, this price was this price." Boat Club Road, I'll tell you instant where Boat Club Road was just 2,000 rupees. And I used to tell people that it will touch 8 and 9,000 and 10,000. People used to laugh at me. "Nahi Bharat, it will never happen." And you see the Boat Club has crossed 15,000 rupees.
So you would say demand is always more than supply.
Demand is always no.
Why?
Demand is always more than the supply because of the economic condition.
You told me God doesn't make land anymore.
Yes, God will. God doesn't see land. It cannot produce lands, and you cannot produce new location which are very close or already developed. You see, Pune was just 5. If you see 20 years back, Pune was only 5 kilometers. Here or there, you go to Gorpari, Pune was over. You go to Shivaji Nagar, further.
But I can't believe, Bharat bhai, that 18,000 and 16,000 rupees rates are now in Pune. It's
Yes.
really undigestible.
No, see, it may not digest you, but there are people who want purely top of the location, top of the line, top of the construction because the economic conditions have gone up. See, if you see, I'll tell you why people should invest in property in Pune. Basically, you see the Pune population is around 65 lakhs. And you see the economical condition of 2011 census, what it says, that out of these people, there are 40% of the people that are still staying in Jodhpur, they are below poverty line.
So in the last 25 years, you must be having a very good
Yes.
relationship with all the developers, and that will bring to the table some special benefits for your buyers.
Benefit means
If I am buying a property in a new project, ongoing project, I would benefit much more.
yes.
When I deal
Minimum
through
20 to 25%. Even this year, you can find it easily. It's guaranteed.
No, that apart, when I deal through you as my consultant, will you
Yes.
be able to give me that little extra?
Little extra is, of course, I have got 25 years experience. I have got the good rapport with maximum builders of Pune. I'll tell you, 80% of the builders I know them personally. And
So
this
that is the
because-
advantage.
Yes, because then I can get you something extra than what other broker can give you.
And plus the choice of the
Yes,
flat,
choice is always there. Yes, choice.
some
And
more comfort level,
more comfort.
some more
Always.
flexibility on the payment.
Yes, always.
But what is your specialization? Are you into pre-sale, pre-lease properties, land?
Pre-lease property means I always advise people that if you have extra money, always buy a commercial land or commercial offices where you can put it on rent to some companies where you can get a returns of 7 to 12%. Of course, 12% nowadays you don't get, but 7 to 8, 9%. Plus every year there is a 10% rise in the valuation.
So
of
you
the
basically
property.
do complete property management, because
Yes,
if
complete.
NRIs are there, they want
Yes,
somebody
yes, yes,
who
yes.
completely leases
We
it
guide
out.
them, yes. I have a opportunity of a lot of people who have bought their properties, but their properties are on lease, and each one they have small.
So Bharat bhai, can you just give your number on the phone and your website, because I've seen your website is
You
very
can
very
go through
classy.
my website, which is www.dealwellproperties.com.
So deal
Just
with
connect
friends,
with me
deal
at-
well, DEAL,
Yeah,
WE,
BEALWEL, it's single L,
single L at the end.
and properties.com. You
One
visit
word,
my site.
dealwellproperties.com.
Yes, dealwellproperties.com.
And your mobile number, sir.
Yeah, it's 98220-21002.
And I believe that you are on a very special position in the Estate Agents Association
Yeah, I'm
committee.
on the governing
Governing
body
body.
of Real Estate Association, which is
What is the benefit of dealing with a realtor, with a member of the EAP, other than a
See,
ordinary
the
broker?
member has got all the knowledge, technical knowledge, legal knowledge, all the advice, and he has got a reputation, because if you want to become a member of association, you have to have your own office, you have to have a service tax number, income tax number, and we don't invite any Tom, Dick and
And
Harry.
integrity,
Yes,
transparency.
of course, that, and automatically when you deal, that responsibility is there. So the member is always working. As
Now
a
one last
responsible-
question.
Yes.
On this website and your website, you will be putting properties on videos, because I believe people don't have time to actually go and inspect physically the property.
Yes.
So this kind of service is an extra service which other brokers don't give. You can connect with them on Google Hangouts.
Yes.
I think we have had lots of Google Hangouts.
Okay,
So
true.
that makes it very easy for a person to discuss with you. You can bring the seller or the developer on a Google Hangout, and all of you, wherever you all are,
Yes.
can talk. You can show all the presentations
Sure.
and every document in your desktop on the Google Hangout virtually. So I think you have taken a lead to get into the virtual way of giving service.
Yes, and Pankaj, I really thank you for all this, give me guidance and the training kind of thing to connect with the people all over the world. I think this is the best media that person should connect.
Thank you, Bharat bhai. It was a pleasure to get this presentation, and we look forward to many more
Yes,
videos.
thank you, Pankaj. But come for a tea. Without tea, please don't go.
All right. Thank you. Bye.